Hey guys, it's Emily. For Christmas this year, doTERRA has brought back their Bubble Diffuser. I've had a lot of people asking me about what it is, so I was going to just show you really quick. Comes in a cute little box with instructions. It's adorable. It's teeny tiny. They usually put them in a combo. Right now for Christmas, it is in a combo with this Hygge oil, spelled like Huggy, but it's Hygge, they've told us. It is battery powered, so you just charge it with a USB, one of the little minis, and then you charge it up and it's good for a few days. You're going to stick it on whatever counter you want. It has a motion sensor, so you can just walk by and it will give you either 3 puffs or like 7 puffs. You can choose which setting you want on. So when you get it out of the box, you're going to take off this little cover. There's a place to pop it onto the bottom. It's pretty small. And then from there, you are going to pick whichever oil you would like. I really do love this oil that it comes with this time around. It has wild orange, cedarwood, ambergris, frankincense, cistus myrrh, vetiver, vanilla, absolute, and tonka bean, absolute. So it smells really, really good. Whatever you're going to use, though, you're kind of committing to for a little while. It's a little bit of a pain to change, and that's like one of the joys, is that you don't have to change it. So you can just set it up and leave it. So you're going to take your bottle, you will leave the diffuser cap on there, and you're just going to screw it right in. Obviously charge it first, and then there's 2 settings. There's a normal and a high. When you turn it on, it will give you like 6 or 7 in a row, and then you just leave it, and it will only go off once every 3 minutes. But it's motion detected, so if you're not in the room, it's not going to be diffusing without you. And then when you walk by, it'll give you some puffs to smell. It's the best. They're so cute. So I actually have a handful of these that I've purchased from previous conventions and stuff. They are all over my house. I love them. If you're interested in getting one, let me know. If you don't want to try this oil, I can help you pair it with a different oil. So you can just put this out on your counter and enjoy it as people walk by. And it makes your house smell beautiful for the holidays, or anytime, or in any bathroom, or anywhere. If you want to change out the oil, then you're going to want to flip it around, turn it on and off a couple times, so it'll use up the oil that's kind of like caught up in the reserve. And then you'll be able to unscrew it without it spilling. It is really good to just wait till the bottle's empty, but if you really do want to change it, just make sure it runs a few times while it's upright, and then you should be able to pull it out and put the lid back on and insert a different variety of oil. You just have to charge it every few days when it needs charging, and then you just set it and leave it.